doesn't know how to drive. Like dude. On vacation. We've gone out. There's only matcha and there's no coffee.
Before, never heard of four.
Love the preparation and love how it's being served.
You are doing a financial fraud.
Young John bro. Yeah. Good morning. It's these earrings that I low-key forgot to introduce why I'm in Kolkata. So I'm here for my cousin and sister's baby naming ceremony. I've kept my camera off for charging. My suitcase still needs to be packed. Dude, what the actual hell? It is 1:58 on the clock right now. I am currently editing the video that you're going to be seeing literally in the next 5 minutes because I'm going to like probably up on the way to the airport, but I haven't packed. My tickets are booked to leave by 3 and I literally have 1 hour on the clock. I have eaten makhana, papaya, coffee and having water right now because today is the Nirjala Gyaras. I know Bakri Eid चालू है इसलिए flight के prices भी बहुत ज़्यादा है, but you gotta surprise the people that matter the most to you. This is my first cousin. It's her first kid and I wish I could be there for her wedding. I wish I could be there for my other first cousin's first kid, but like since we've missed those opportunities, it's time to make the effort to kind of go and surprise them. So me and Dad are both going tonight at 8 and Indigo flights, please don't get delayed or anything. The function starts at 9 a.m. tomorrow. I think this video put you up because consistency is all that matters. I don't care if I don't get views right now. I know 6 months in the long run it will all make sense. Let me complete 500 videos on the channel and I will have cracked the code of routine and consistency and habitual content, and hopefully will have quit this job that I'm currently in. I am already having thoughts, and the funniest thing is that I quit my first PR job here at this event, like because of what his interview said, and it was Father's Day then, and it's Father's Day literally day after. I don't know, next week, and there's just so much happening. I have my other family friends from Rajasthan coming to Pali, whose wedding I last went to. If you've seen the Jaipur vlogs, if you've not seen it, I think you've seen it. It's one of those right now. Please do show some love to the other kind of videos I do as well, because that is what I generally put 2 weeks of editing effort for it to go live. So yeah, hopefully this will be an easy edit and hopefully one of the best surprises. See you at the airport. It is currently 2:43. I have made the thumbnail and I'm now posting the video. This is nuts. Like, get ready for the airport in literally the next 15 minutes. I'll share it to my cell phone. Bus. Bye. नहीं निकलना है अभी.
दिखा रहा हूँ.
Zero तो दिखाएगा first like.
क्या कर रहे हो? हर जगह वीडियो हो.
Bua's watching my cruise vlog and I'm packing for the trip literally like right now. I need to pack all of this, but it won't go in the handbag. So I need to figure out another suitcase maybe. So Harshka Didi, Yukti Didi, Mami. I need to shift all of this into because nothing is fitting. My order just arrived. Anxiety has anxiety to stop. No. Okay, so I just took a shower and kind of done packing. I just need to zip this baby up and but leaving for Papa's office, gonna pick him up and then get going. I literally, all I was waiting for was this extra large t-shirt that says my anxiety has anxiety, and it came on time. And I know my airport look is very basic, but I've always wanted to wear a red on red. Also filmed my I'm quitting my job video here last year. I've been online shopping a lot on Instagram. This was though a Colaba purchase, which is a red butterfly. That's what I'm wearing today now. Side. I also ordered these hoops off on Instagram. Online shopping. I don't online shop. I don't preach online shopping. I really needed hoops and I've never bought myself hoops. For the first time in my life, I got myself hoops. They look classy. I'm obsessed with this. Though ideally I wash this t-shirt as soon as it came in the order, but I really wanted to wear this. And in this, like literally today morning, I was thinking, oh my god, if this red t-shirt comes on time today just before my flight, it'll just be insane. And I think that was my sign to start believing in the universe a little more, because I literally thought to myself, if this happens, it means it's meant to be. And so it is meant to be. Let's go.
बाकी सब पर्स में लिया?
Yes.
जो ले जाने के लिए उसको चाहिए.
बस. ये राजू को कैसे पता चला ये बैग लॉक नहीं हो रहा था? कैसे किया?
जैसे इसको करना चाहिए।
कैसे किया?
देखो कैसे किया।
ओह,
रामविलास।
this is so. I forgot I did not wasn't broken all this while. Thank you. The driver's at office, so Raju is dropping me to Papa's office and then go from there. We are eating something called sabudana, which is actually Indian quinoa, or as fancily you can call it boba. Picture.
ओके चल। ये फ्रेश कैसे बना? बोला हाथ रखना मुझे, मैं बोला हाथ तो रखूंगा ही। मस्त बना, कढ़ाई में चिपका नहीं, एकदम दाना फ्रेश। देखो खा कितना सॉफ्ट सॉफ्ट है कि नहीं?
मजा आ गया।
तो बोला हम चले जाएंगे तो हाथ रखना। हो गया, अभी नया मोबाइल खराब हो गया।
How is everybody feeling? क्या छुपाया उन्होंने? समोसा? तो क्या क्या
ये आम का अच्छा लगता है, एक बार टेस्ट करो सर गए।
अपने कॉल से अपने कॉल का वैल्यू वर्सेस सीपी स्लैश बेसिक जो भी लेवल पे कॉल जाएगा उसका वैल्यू अलग रहेगा।
100%। मैं बोलता रहा हूँ, स्पार्क कैपिटल वालों को हमने अभी बुलाया है ना, स्पार्क वालों की इतनी हवा टाइट हो गई है ना, आप संजय भाई को पूछिए कैसी हालत हो गई है। सब गायब हो गए, सब इवन देव अप्रोच सीपी कि आप बोलिए सेटल करना है हमको, बिकॉज उनका आईपीओ भी आ रहा है। सिर्फ मेरा लॉस हो गया 37 करोड़ का। मैंने और संजय भाई
इस हिसाब से काम मतलब
नहीं तो नहीं वो 2% का बोल रहा है, 2% का कोई सेटलमेंट होगा क्या?
हम नहीं बोलेंगे ना, वो हमें बोलना ही नहीं था। हमें ये बोलना था कि ये दो या तो फिर 10% काट लो, 20% काट लो, इतना हम बेयर कर लेंगे, इतना को पीछे नहीं कर सकते। मतलब फोन करेंगे, वो बोलेगा सेटलमेंट करना है, अच्छा सेटलमेंट करना है तो ये अमाउंट पे करना है,
हाँ
75% में कर रहा है।
हाँ, अभी अपन 75% नहीं बोल, पहले तो 100% बोलेंगे, फिर वो आएगा अपने आप पे, इतने पे करेंगे। तो कितना दिन जाएगा? तो कितने दिन जाएगा?
इंडिया के बाहर। अच्छे लग रहे हैं खाली। And look at the coastal view. I love.
मुझे बोला है क्या तुमने आ रही?
नहीं, it's going to be a surprise for most of them because अभी भी मुझे रीना मम्मी का कॉल आया, वो दिखा रही थी मुझे, जला रही थी, सब लोग खा रहे थे आइसक्रीम and everyone was eating, मामा मामी वगैरह सब वीडियो कॉल किया उन्होंने। I'll insert the images and the clips here, but मैंने बोला कि पापा तो अभी भी ऑफिस में, he's not feeling well, he still isn't feeling well, but we're still going, making an effort to go, but not a lot of people know, so it'll be a surprise for Yukti Didi, and see you soon. आपको लिटरली सब लोग इंडियन वॉरेन बुफे बुला रहे हैं। थैंक्स ऑल। ये तो मुझे भी याद है। Usman Kapoor का she is always constant in all the videos. 6 बजे पहुंचेंगे, तो आप मम्मी का कॉल आए तो उन्हें बताना ही, उठाना ही मत, कॉल का कॉल आ गया। Now I'm lying on the cold hard ground. Trouble. I don't think I've ever taken this route. 280 का फ्रूट देते हुए पापा। If you've seen the Jaipur vlog, we were sitting on this exact seat after which right now, and we ordered Kailash Parbat se most horrible pav bhaji and the most horrible chole bhature, which is given in compensation for that. But both were really bad. Which is getting mangoes, Karnataka ke mangoes. My father has this really weird thing where he will see how the person is making the entire dish and he will not allow anyone to put anything bad. So, first test, Karnataki. Huh? Our captain is our children. Oh, our capital is our children. Our capital is... अपना जो पैसा है वो अपने बच्चे हैं. Just realized this is the first trip I'm taking with just my father. मम्मी के साथ मैं अकेले कर रही हूँ.
Papa
On
के
a
साथ
weekend. After work. So funny. चाय ले. Ski trip जैसा लग रहा है. I'm trying the polarized ones, which I don't like. I don't like these. I like those only. दादी जी वाले glasses. I really like these.
UV product है ना, UV plus polarized.
The UV plus. It's a tradition kind of every time I've gone to Kolkata in the past, which has been the last 3 times. 2 out of 3 times I've actually bought 2 pairs of McVie glasses, and today is trip number 4 to Kolkata, Bengal, and I'm getting another McVie pair. I'm so happy, and these were so inexpensive. This was just for 2K, and the ones that I liked earlier, that was for 8K, but that wasn't even that inquisitive or different. I really like these ones. Very happy. We got it from the Sunglass Atelier. What on a gloomy day, my god. Last minute book करूँगी तो last में ही आएगा flight.
सभी यात्रियों से निवेदन है उड़ान से शीघ्र प्रस्थान पर बैठ जाएं अपने छोटे बैग पर सामने वाली कुर्सी के नीचे रख लेने बाद requesting all customers to take a seat for departure of flight and kindly keep the small bags under the seat in front of you. Thank you. Any electronics, equipment or mobile phones.
Literally छुप के पी रही है. Literally छुप के पी रही है.
सामने वाली सीट के नीचे रखें. कृपया अपनी सीट पर बैठ जाएं और बैठें. We would love to take off with you.
My dad is literally like running to go to the bus because it's hilarious, dude. What the hell? We've landed in Kolkata!
Belt number 3.
You know you come to Kolkata when you see a taxi like that. My God.
देखो
Now I'm going to surprise you. My God, how are you?
Actually, सबने best surprise था.
I'm happy. I thought कि आपको पता लग जाएगा या कुछ. I'm remembering to take my pills. This is the vitamin C water with my iron tablets and my glutathione tablets. Fast break हो गया. Good morning.
Very good.
Chai in bed with mommy's love. Good morning. It's the first day, and today is Yukti Didi's function, and we're gonna go get ready in an hour. 8:30 on the clock, and by 9 we should be ready, and the function begins. Let's just go say hi to everyone.
क्या किया तुम गीला
अभी इसका मत
ऐसे करके नहीं आना है हम लोग स्टेज पे. गुड़िया आप लोगों के हाथ में. अरे
आपके
दो
गुड़िया आपके हाथ में होगी और ये गुड़िया इनके हाथ में
दो जन ऐसे ही आपके हाथ में होंगे काकी नाटक कर रहे हो।
हम कैसे कर रहे हैं सर को छोड़ सकते हैं तो मम्मी को लेके तो
I am all shower ready. I used my Masi's shampoo. I didn't have time to do a hair spa in Bombay, but let's just settle for some good old fresh hair. This is clearly, as you know from almost every third vlog of mine, that I'm a lover of this brand called Jisoo, and I have used it in the last 4 vlogs, I think. It doesn't smell the best because it's honey, but it does give you like this insane shine. Just watch. It's like a glazed donut.
He's got finishing एकदम real.
He loved these earrings that I got from one of the stores in Palladium. I'll link down the name. But it has like this ghungru appeal, which my blouse also replicates. So I'm really happy about that. Stealing a page from another earring as always. Clearly I thought there was a baby boy coming. This powder blue, as long as it's secured. Now should we get some makeup on after a little dance practice?
तुम जाओ ना, रेडी हो ना। हम दीदी प्लीज
देख रहा है कि शोल्डर मेरा कितना ऊपर है।
I like you very much. She is a very pretty girl. इसीलिए मैं इसको बहुत प्यार करती हूँ क्योंकि मेरे को बहुत अच्छी लगती है।
सिर्फ अच्छा ही नहीं करती,
डांस बहुत अच्छा करती है। इसके डांस मेरे को बहुत पसंद है। और क्या बोलूँ मैं, कुछ भी बोलूँगी कम है।
She is Himanshu's grandmom. Everyone knows Himanshu, so now they know her grandmom. Crazy genes. गंगोत्री के वीडियो का रिलैप्स।
गंगोत्री में हमारे साथ में एक श्वेत आत्मा आई थी।
श्वेत आत्मा, श्वेत अभी आप हो गए हो।
हमारे बेबी का नाम है।
गाली सुनती है, खाली एक ही आदमी नहीं सुना गाली, जो VIP एनक्लेव में रहता है, विजय दयाल।
अरे किधर किधर क्या लगा दिया उसके अंदर?
Nandini was just telling me how these were cabins before. I'm not sure his story. I'm just making this up. Nandini is walking. Artik, say hi.
मीडियम करते हैं.
This ma'am. Funny jokes and stuff like that. He's 50 and he's a child.
No, but this angle is different. You were standing on the left side. You were on the right side.
Gundi pan with Gundi. Natural, you can. There are 4 types of puchkas. Continue.
I don't know.
अरे यार. बस.
I didn't realize.
Of course you did not realize. Oof. अभी रोकेगा. No, bear it. Keep going. This is Sitafal ice cream with Faluda. We got in a what? In a cup. Chal,
It's just me lowering my beauty.
just like
This
your mom.
goes nowhere. Just
Yeah,
it's a
of
dump
course.
for us. 40 years
चल
later.
खाना.
कैसे खाओ?
Bro, गिर गया क्या? It's okay, sir.
I will. You take a bite first.
Faluda is good.
I'm really.
Can you try the ice cream
Sitafal.
only yet? How's the ice cream? Approved?
10 on 10. Have Sitafal, no bro. Have the Sitafal.
Nandini tried warm matcha for the first time today. And I tried cranberry coffee for the first time today. Plans for tomorrow, I don't know कितना execute होगा.
It's good. It's cold. You have this.
बहुत ज़्यादा ले लिया. You're Ronaldo.
क्योंकि मेरे को पसंद नहीं है ये मैं कैसे जस्टिफाई करूं तेरे को पहनने तू पहन वरना मत पहन अब रिदर्व को जिम भी दिखाऊंगा
नहीं. Myself to the gym on vacation. I love it. That's Hardik and Nandini right there. Let's go. तो मैं posture बन. Come.
No, it's.
Between a forearm first or between one. Hips तो नीचे रख भाई. ऐसे तो 2 मिनट कोई भी कर लेगा. Okay, till the song ends. Have you seen Suits?
घर चले गए थे ऑफिस तुमको और चाचू को खटाव है घर आने के बाद चले गए तुमको और चाचू नहीं ये वाला है
आम पे कौन मेकअप करता है पुलकित?
अरे नहीं वो फोरआर्म एक्सरसाइज
आईज लैशेस का
Good morning, it's the next day. I've done a little makeup. We are still undecided of where we're going to be headed to next, but I'll keep you updated. Yum
स्पाइसी चिली खाना पकौड़ा
looks
I think I'm too full for the Thai food.
This is
Sun-friendly things. Keep the sauce here just in case you want to eat. No, you can like dip it in.
even the Mama Burma in Kolkata had much better food than I had in Bombay, and the aesthetics and the vibe is just certainly top notch.
Such a drama queen, doesn't know how to drive. Like dude, oh shit.
Baba beasted. Can you tell I'm influenced by Ashley?
You
Oh yeah, we have not tried it.
You better order matcha or coffee. That's it.
Cranberry. This is a charcoal coffee, never before seen before, never heard of before.
Love the preparation and love how it's being served.
Types of beans. Are my teeth also black?
I want this as a blooper. My teeth also black.
If you ever come to Kolkata, this is literally my 5th time, but I'm always discovering. This is literally my 5th time in Kolkata, and I'm always discovering new. This is literally my 5th time in Kolkata, and I'm always discovering new places. But this time, it has to be this Stella charcoal coffee that I had. And the notes of not berries, not so much, like spiced chocolate apparently, but I would say the best part about this all, we have so many things to try out in life, and I've traveled the entire world, but I've not had charcoal coffee in a place that I've come to 4 times already. So this is just your motivation to keep visiting the places you already have been to as well, because times are changing, things are changing, and you never know until you go there.
And
You don't have appetite for
everything. Just have appetite for
the charcoal coffee. Mama's calling.
थोड़ा easy चालू कर ना. Easily completed your dinner.
क्या करूँ? अब खाना भाई. My only aim right now is to edit the Kolkata video and post it before Saturday.
है नहीं अरे खाने चाहे पानी का बोतल ले लो
अभी छुट्टा दे देती हूँ.
अरे खाइएगा पार्सल ले बेटा ए आंटी को भाई लग रहा है चाय